Are you feeling down and overwhelmed? Do you need help to cope with depression? Look no further. Our audio ebook, How to Deal with Depression, provides tips, advice, and strategies to help you manage your depression and find the joy in life. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the causes of depression, the symptoms, and effective methods of treatment. With our audio ebook, you can learn how to recognize the signs of depression, develop a plan to manage it, and find the support you need to get back on track. Get the help you need today and start feeling better tomorrow. Depression is a serious mental health condition that can have a profound effect on an individual's life. It can cause feelings of sadness, hopelessness, and worthlessness, and can lead to physical and emotional exhaustion. Fortunately, there are steps that can be taken to help manage and overcome depression. 1. Reach out for help. The first step in overcoming depression is to reach out for help. This can be done by talking to a trusted friend or family member, or by seeking professional help from a mental health professional. Talking to someone can help to provide a sense of support and understanding, and can help to identify the underlying causes of depression. 2. Exercise. Exercise has been shown to be an effective way to reduce symptoms of depression. Regular physical activity can help to reduce stress and anxiety, and can also help to improve mood and self-esteem. Aim to get at least 30 minutes of exercise each day, and try to find activities that you enjoy. 3. Eat a healthy diet. Eating a healthy diet can help to improve mood and reduce symptoms of depression. Aim to eat a balanced diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Avoid processed and sugary foods, as these can worsen symptoms of depression. 4. Get enough sleep. Sleep is essential for mental and physical health. Aim to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night, and try to go to bed and wake up at the same time each day. 5. Practice relaxation techniques. Relaxation techniques such as meditation, yoga, and deep breathing can help to reduce stress and anxiety, and can help to improve mood. Aim to practice relaxation techniques for at least 10 minutes each day. 6. Connect with others. Social support is an important part of mental health. Make an effort to connect with friends and family, and try to engage in activities that you enjoy. 7. Challenge negative thoughts. Negative thoughts can worsen symptoms of depression. Make an effort to challenge negative thoughts, and try to focus on the positive aspects of life. 8. Seek professional help. If symptoms of depression persist, seek professional help from a mental health professional. A therapist can help to identify the underlying causes of depression, and can provide strategies to help manage and overcome depression. Depression is a serious mental health condition, but it is possible to manage and overcome it. By taking steps such as reaching out for help, exercising, eating a healthy diet, getting enough sleep, practicing relaxation techniques, connecting with others, challenging negative thoughts, and seeking professional help, it is possible to reduce symptoms of depression and improve mental health. The exact cause of depression is not known, but there are several factors that may contribute to its development. These include genetics, brain chemistry, environmental factors, and medical conditions. Treatment for depression typically involves a combination of medications, psychotherapy, and lifestyle changes. Medications can help to reduce symptoms, while psychotherapy can help a person to identify and address underlying issues. Lifestyle changes can include getting regular exercise, eating a healthy diet, and getting enough sleep. Living with depression can be challenging, but there are ways to manage it. These include developing a support system, setting realistic goals, and taking care of one's physical and mental health. In conclusion, depression is a serious mental health condition that can have a significant impact on a person's life. It is important to seek professional help if you are experiencing symptoms of depression. With the right treatment and support, it is possible to manage depression and live a fulfilling life.